Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fun and Kids with Sonia. Friends, you know me as I'm making the video especially for kids and things along with the kids. But today's video is not about the kids, it's about the mother of the kids. And especially I want to tell you it's about women. And today I just want to give a testimony about my favorite woman in the world. I have seen and I met her, and as she's no more there with us, like we literally are very sad. And why I thought of making this video is just because 3 months back I lost my wonderful sister, wonderful akka. Akka means elder sister in the Telugu, and she is a kind of woman I really want to be. I'm fascinated with, and I hope I'll turn into that kind of woman only. So today I'm gonna share a wonderful testimony about a wonderful woman, and hope you guys will love this. And today I just love to share with the parents. She was like a wonderful counselor to all those not only women but to all those people who are like in trouble, either a married couple, either friends, either children, or even aunties or brothers or uncles. She was like a wonderful lady, and a lady who is like, I can say, was like born to serve, born to love, born to she was like a great testimony. So before talking much about her, I want to read few words about it. Few words. She was exactly that kind of woman. Hope I'll also achieve that one day. And I just want to read few words, so I'm reading it. It start with, who can find a virtuous wife? For her worth is far above 10 rupees. The heart of her husband safely trusts her, so he will have no lack of gain. She does good to him and not evil all the days of her life. She seeks wool and flax and willingly works with her hands. She is like the merchant ship, she brings her food from afar. She also rises when it is yet at night and provides food for her household and a portion of for her maid servants. She considers a field and buys it, and from her profit she plants a vineyard. She girds herself with strength and strengthens her arms. She perceives that her merchandise is good, and her lamps does not go out by night. She stretch out her hands to the staff, and her hands hold spindle. She extend her hands to poor. Yes, she reaches out her hands to the needy. She is not afraid of snow for her household, for all her household is clothed with scarlet. She makes tapestry for herself. Her clothing is fine linen and purple. Her husband is known in the gates when he sits among elders of the land. She makes linen garments and sells them, supplies sashes for the merchant. Strength and honor are her clothing. She shall rejoice in time to come. She opens her mouth with wisdom, and her tongue is the law of kindness. She watches over the ways of her household and does not eat the bread of idleness. Her children rise up and call her blessed. Her husband also, and he praises her. Many daughters have done well, but you excel them all. Charm is deceitful and beauty is passing, but a woman who fears the Lord, she shall be praised. Give her the fruit of her hands, and let her own work praises her in the gates. So today I want to share a testimony, a small testimony about my favorite sister, Aniaka. I'm gonna call her Aniaka only. I really have many more sisters, aunties as a great testimony with me, but today I'm just sharing about Aniaka as after my marriage, she was a great mentor to me. Who can find a virtuous wife? Actually, her husband has praised her from bottom of his heart, and she's a praiseworthy woman, trustworthy and wonderful woman. And I just do not want to talk about what I have not seen in her, because as a wife, a husband only will be praising her. But what I know is like she was really far worth than rubies. He trusted on her safely. And he was like, both of them, the couple was, they did really awesome, wonderful work. Talk about her, she was highly educated. She could have been a professor or a lecturer in a college, but she did not choose that. She did not choose that. What she chose, a way to provide for the needy, a way to serve others, and a way and a walk of being serving women. I really love her, the way she was serving her family, she was serving the people who are near her, she was even providing for her maids, and she was a kind of woman that her husband had trust and faith in her in every ways. Whenever she wants to help out or reach out someone, when we get educated today, and when we get some good professional qualification and something, what does our purpose becomes? Our purpose becomes to own a big company, or to work somewhere, or to earn good amount of money. But she was a kind of woman who kept all that aside, and who chosen a way to serve others, to love others, to be a part, to be a vessel which will help others to be united, a vessel who helped others to be united, a vessel to help others, a vessel to provide for others, to give counseling to those who are fighting, to help those who are in need, to serve. And there was a lot of things she was doing, giving counseling to the broken heart, so that they do not go in a wrong way, they don't go astray, or they don't do suicide or something. To youth, she was a great icon, and she was the one who used to go even for the jail ministry and even for the leprosy. And this was the first time after marriage when I came here in Hyderabad. I joined for some missions like that. You know, I was involved all these things before also, but this was the first time because I left my job and I got working hours, so I could join all that. And I saw the way she will be like so happy and involved in serving people who had leprosy. So you know, I don't see today that the way, that heart of giving, that heart of compassion, that heart of serving, I see lacking even today in women in their own family also. But she was a kind of woman who was like completely involved even to serve leprosy people, leprosy village, even in jail people, and even a lot of other things. You know, she was like nicely providing for all the widows and taking care of the needies, even the maid servants and a lot of people. She was like a really great icon for me, a kind of icon, you know. The most wonderful thing about this lady, that sister, is like, even though highly professionally educated, she left her career not to build her own career, but to build others' career. What a wonderful lady. I love, even if I talk about more and more about her, won't be able to stop. But just this is what she has done. She has provided for her family, and she has provided for the family of others, those who are in need. And she has given her to, she was like a wonderful lady who was involved all the time of her life, even in her sickness. I saw a wonderful lady, you know, talking about Aniaka. I saw her, the way she loved to serve, you know. She loved to help you out. She loved to listen you out. And the wonderful thing about her was like, she'll not judge you. She'll be wonderfully giving you counseling about really how it is needed to you. And she'll be encouraging you not to step back, but to go and to stand firm and to win the race. Wonderful lady, wonderful thing. I do not have full words, but I just say the way she loved everyone is like a blessing for us, all of us. And even though she's not physically present, she's not there among us, but she's there in our hearts. And her words, her suggestions, her counseling is there today also. And she was a lady I really salute and I really love, and it's a great blessings to have her in my life. Andarki vandanalu. I just want to say Aniaka, a greatest believer, a faithful lady, a wonderful counselor. It is not that she has not seen difficult times, she has not seen the backbite, she has not seen the not faced the anger or not became anger, but everything of her life was turning wonderful because she was walking in the word. She was walking in the word and she was holding on it, you know. I just hear many times about anger, but when I heard the testimony of her own daughter, she was like, today what I am is just because of her discipline, her anger, her love. Let's hear part of her testimony towards me.
Proverbs chapter 31 verse 28. Her children rise up and call her blessed. Her husband also, and he praises her. My mother was not a normal lady. She was a person, who enlightened everyone. Ante prati okkar life lo, she just touched them with her touch. Ante somehow, maybe వాళ్ళతో close గా లేకపోయినా somehow ఒక్కసారి మా మమ్మీని కలిసిన, she will leave an impact in your life. That was what my mother was. మా మమ్మీ ఒకటి ఎప్పుడు చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే, జేమి అనసి కొట్లాడుకొని అందరు గెలుస్తారు లైఫ్ లో. అంటే కొట్లాడుకొని లేకపోతే బూతు మాటలు మాట్లాడి కోపంతో అందరు గెలుస్తారు. బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు విన్ విత్ లవ్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైట్ విత్ లవ్ అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు విన్ విత్ లవ్. సో మై మదర్ యూజ్డ్ టు సే, no matter what, ఏదైనా బ్యాటిల్ అయినా, let it be any battle, you have to fight it only with love. And she did that. She literally, మా మమ్మీ అసలు ఏమంటారు, సాక్ష్యాలు వింటుంటే అనుకున్నాను అసలు హౌ డిడ్ మమ్మీ డూ ఆల్ దట్. అంటే వన్ లేడీ అంత మందిని, ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ డిడ్ షీ లవ్. ఆ లవ్ నాకు ఐ స్టిల్ డోంట్ నో హౌ డిడ్ షీ డూ ఇట్. వి డోంట్ గెట్ ఇట్. అంటే ఎవరు మనకు కూర్చొని నేర్పారు. బట్ లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ, మై మదర్ టాట్ మీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. హౌ టు సిట్, హౌ టు స్మైల్, హౌ టు టాక్. అంటే ఎట్లా మాట్లాడాలి, ఎవరితో ఎంత మాట్లాడాలి, ఎంత దూరంలో మాట్లాడాలి. షీ టాట్ అంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కటి. ఐ థింక్ three things that resulted in me becoming like this. First, definitely God's grace. Second, ఏంటంటే మా మమ్మీ డాడీ చేసిన prayers. And third one, I'm 22 years old. Last moment వరకు మమ్మీ నన్ను కొట్టేది. She used to hit me with love. So she used to tell me, Jamie, we'll give you all freedom. కానీ నువ్వు ఏం చేసినా మాకు చెప్పి చేయాలి. ఎనీథింగ్ నువ్వు ఏం చేసినా నువ్వు మాకు వచ్చి చెప్పు, మేము కొట్టాం, మేము కోప్పడము. విల్ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ యూ. మనం ముగ్గురం కూర్చొని, నేను మమ్మీ డాడీ మనం ముగ్గురం కూర్చొని మనం డిసైడ్ చేసుకుందాం వాట్ ఈస్ గుడ్ ఫర్ యూ. అది నీకు మంచిదంటే విల్ డూ, కానీ అది నీకు మంచిది కాకపోతే డెఫినెట్లీ విల్ నాట్ డూ. సో మమ్మీ వాజ్ ఆల్వేస్ వెరీ క్లియర్ టు మీ. కోపంతో లేకపోతే దాంతో కాదు, కానీ ప్రేమతో. షీ హిట్ మీ విత్ లవ్. అండ్ I'm 22 years old. నాకు 22 years లాస్ట్ మూమెంట్ వరకు నేను ఏమైనా తప్పు చేస్తే షీ యూజ్డ్ టు పించ్ మీ, లేకపోతే షీ యూజ్డ్ టు స్లాప్ మీ. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ వెరీ ప్రౌడ్ అబౌట్ దట్. మా మమ్మీ నన్ను ఇన్ని ఇయర్స్ కొట్టింది కాబట్టి today I am strong. I'm sitting here and I'm talking about my sunshine. ఇప్పుడు మనం కూడా పొద్దున ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ వెన్ వి గో ఆర్ మనం సన్ రైజ్ ని చూసినప్పుడు ద సన్ గివ్స్ యూ సో మచ్ బ్రైట్నెస్, ఇట్ గివ్స్ యూ సో మచ్ లైట్. సో మా మమ్మీ అట్లనే షీ గేవ్ లైట్, షీ షోడ్ అమేజింగ్ లవ్, షీ షోడ్ అమేజింగ్ compassion to everyone that was in and around her.
What a wonderful testimony. Only one phone call is needed for her and she'll be there, either supporting you, comforting you, leading you and guiding you. We all praise you, a woman of prayer, a woman of praise, a woman of trust, a woman of faith. We all miss you, Anilka, and love you.